What's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare two best earbuds, which is Mivi Commando X9 versus boAt Immortal 131. So let's see the full comparison video. Design, body type, earbuds dimension, case dimension, earbuds weight, case weight, audio features, driver type, technology, latency mode, mic system, sensors, noise sensor, light sensor, capacitive sensor, touch sensor, has colors, platform, has chipset, battery mAh, case mAh, battery backup, battery charging time, camera, other features, IP certified, RGB lights, voice assistant, connectivity, Bluetooth, single tap, double tap, triple tap, long touch, single tap, price and INR. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare.